What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you what's better, Trade Republic or Revolut. So, you might be comparing these two platforms here and wondering which one is better for you. Well, in this case, let's go ahead and just basically compare them. So let's start with Trade Republic. Now, Trade Republic is primarily an investment platform, and it's laser focused on helping you grow your money. If your goal is to invest in stocks, ETFs, or even set up automated saving plans, then Trade Republic has you covered. Now, in this case, what makes Trade Republic here stand out? So first is they have a low cost investing option here. So for just £1 per trade for stocks or ETFs. And also there's no account or inactivity fees. And also you have commission free ETF investing. And in this case, you have, or if you're not ready to invest everything right away, they offer a 2.5 interest on uninvested cash, which is great if you're also trying to build an emergency fund. So in short, if you're focused on investing and saving and want a minimalist platform that keeps everything efficient and cheap, then Trade Republic is the way to go. Now let's move on into Revolut. Now, Revolut is more like a financial super app. It's not just about investing, it's about managing your money in every way, especially if you travel, deal with multiple currencies, or want quick access to crypto. Now, in this case, there are a number of features here that you may like. So first is they have one free stock trade per month. And in this case, they have small fees for it as well, up to 0.25%. Now you can exchange currency commission free up to £1,000 per month on a free plan. Now they offer personal loans, cryptocurrency trading, and multi-currency accounts, and it's also great for people who travel and need access to multiple currencies without high fees. So if you want banking, budgeting, crypto here, and light investing all in one place, well, Revolut is ideal. Now, you might be asking which one is better, so choose Trade Republic if your main goal is investing long term and you want a high interest on your savings and prefer a clean, simple platform focused on stocks and ETFs. Now, choose Revolut here if you want an all-in-one app for managing money, spending, saving, and investing, and you travel often and need multi-currency tools, and you want access to crypto loans and flexible banking features. But yeah, so the bottom line here is Trade Republic is best for investors and savers. Revolut is best for everyday money management, travel, and people who like saving, or in this case, having everything in one app. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.